I put that, like, this is just an update. I put that one website into the Wayback Machine, and I got this. This thing is fucking old. And, click anomalies. Boosh. You got all this shit. And then you click chain letters. And then you go up here. And then you have all these different chain letters you can look into. And you click on smile. And then smile takes you here. And this is interesting because it has smile, God loves you. Smile is an old chain letter that features an image of a dog grinning, hee hee, that threatens the receiver with nightmares and death if they do not spread the email. And then you got like this old ass fucking email from James Hitch or Hidworth, I can't tell because it's so compressed. But anyway, the email is kind of a bad example because it is actually a friendly email telling you to look at the fucking image. So kind of a shit example for the nightmares and death part, but there are many variants of the letter itself, with the earliest being from the early 90s on Usenet. And in Usenet is like fucking old. I'm not sure if like, I don't know, I haven't read the pasta in a long time, like the smile.dog one. I don't know. Like that might be the time it said that the image was floating around. I can't remember, but and yeah, it's obscure but persistent. And he has like a dumb little joke here. And then he says the image looks like shit, which, I mean, this weird ass image does. Like, I don't, like, I guess this is supposed to be like JPEG loss, but you cannot make an image that bad that way. That's fucking nasty. And then it mentions the Polaroid. And that means this just is like the direct precursor to the Polaroid image. And then we have this, which is like some fake image from some 4chan guy. You could kind of tell because like it's just not, the angle doesn't really line up. But it's fucking, like, I did not expect that there would be older traces of this creepypasta. Like, I figured that if there's something like this, then someone else would have found it by now. And I am just kind of befuddled. Like, I was going to do the rake next. Like, I wanted to do the rake next, even though like the rake is like a few like well-known images. It's not like known for them or anything, but I know one of them had like the fallen angel in Catalonia. The other had like a shitty trail cam edit. Anyway, but now I don't know. I might have to keep looking at this because it's, yeah. Like I guess if you guys can find anything, like the 8 of you, I guess tell me. Yeah. No, like, fuck. Right, where did I? Where did I? Oh, okay. Oh, shit.